There's a helicopter right inside of Platteklip Gorge right now. I don't think we'll ever see anything as amazing as this. Unfortunately for the runner, it's really sad, but the fact that there's a helicopter right inside Platteklip Gorge right now, and there's up by the top there, that is amazing to watch. I think they're busy loading the medics now, and then they'll load the stretcher. Can't zoom in anymore. I don't know, that pilot is amazing. They're drifting towards the edge now. And he's going, looks like he's going to start trying to secure the stretcher now. But the ability to hold that chopper steady inside the gorge. There's the stretcher now, so the stretcher's secured. Stretcher's raised up. And it looks like they're going to try and back the chopper out now. Okay, chopper's still very still. In the center of the screen there. Here comes the chopper out now. Tail coming out. Again, he's moving his chopper around. I don't know how the hell he did that. Absolutely impressed. Well done. That is inspirational to watch.
Wow.
That's a damn good chopper pilot right there.
Oh, okay.